Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to an ultimate after dark clean with me. We are diving right into this thing tonight. My house had gotten way out of hand after the weekend. We just spent a lot of time relaxing, hanging out, and I didn't do a whole lot of cleaning. So on this night, I decided to stay up late, or at least later than normal, kind of get the house all tidy, all in order, and ready for the week ahead. I was also getting the home ready for our Friendsgiving party that was the following day. So I'm just starting here in the living room. I'm wiping down all of the furniture with the 7th generation wood cleaner, and I believe this is in the citrus lemon scent. There is no better feeling than getting your home all back in order and just bringing that sense of peace back into the home. I love cleaning late at night when my kids are asleep. I feel like I'm uninterrupted and I can just do whatever it is that I need to do and get done for the week. And it's also my favorite to clean the house late at night, and that way when I wake up in the morning, everything is fresh and I just have such a better day. I definitely have a Hallmark Christmas movie on in the background. I pretty much have Hallmark playing non-stop for the next couple of months. I'm such a junkie for those movies. Let me know down below in the comments if you also have Hallmark on all the time this time of year. But I also wanted to say, if you missed any of my Christmas decorating videos, I'll have them all linked down below. You definitely want to check them out. And I'm planning on doing a Christmas home tour here really soon. But let me know, would you rather see that before Thanksgiving or after? I'm curious to hear you guys' thoughts. And now that everything is all vacuumed up, I'm just using this vanilla balsam room spray from Bath & Body Works to get the room smelling like a Christmas tree. I seriously love this stuff. It smells amazing. And here is the living room, all fresh and clean and feeling so cozy. And now moving right along to my front room, I am just picking up some of the toys that the kids had gotten out on this evening. I like to keep a few of their toys here in this cabinet so they're ready and accessible anytime that they want to play. But once I have everything picked up, I'm just gonna kind of fluff the pillows, get everything back in order, and then I'll give everything a quick vacuuming. So here in the dining room is where I've been keeping all of my extra Christmas decor and where I had everything out and organized it when I was decorating, and it was still kind of a hot mess, so I decided to move those storage bins down to the storage closet and kind of just get them out of the way. And then I had this extra basket and I decided to put it back behind the wreath there on the hutch, and that turned out really cute. I'm really happy that I did that. I love my friends so much and I'm thankful for our Friendsgiving, but I love them enough not to be fancy. So I'm putting away all of my Christmas dishes, putting them into the hutch, and we are just going to use paper goods because when there's a lot of us, that's just way easier, and who wants to do dishes, am I right? But I am going to get this room nice and clean, so I'm starting just by removing everything and again spraying the table down with that 7th generation spray. As as I'm putting the runner back on the table, you might notice that it's a different runner. I picked this up at Target on this day, and I thought it was shorter. I was planning on putting it on my kitchen table, but turns out it was really long, so it worked on my dining room table, and I really liked it because it was a nice bright Christmassy red. That other plaid runner was a little too maroon. But I got all of those chairs picked up. Now I'm gonna sweep and go ahead and mop the floors.
It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
As always, I was just taking something upstairs. It seems like I always leave things on the stairs and I let that stack up all day, and then at nighttime I finally take it all up. But I'm wiping the staircase down with the CALDREA BALSAM BIRCH scented spray. This stuff smells amazing, one of my favorite Christmas scents, and I wanted to use it here by the entry so that it smells like Christmas right when you walk through the front door. I used to clean like this almost every single night, and I would deep clean a different area of the home, and that's how I would stay on top of things. But ever since I started YouTube, that has not been the case because I'm usually editing for you guys or just working on something YouTube related, which is kind of ironic because I'm a cleaning channel. But I will say I still try to do this at least once a week, if not twice, and it's just become therapeutic to me to be able to deep clean a space in my home and relax and get it all done in my own time and not feel rushed. I think that's the biggest thing. Even though it's really late, I don't feel rushed. I feel like I can do a good job and get everything done, and then when I do lay down and relax, watch TV, fall asleep, I feel so much better. On this night we had chili for dinner, and we had cornbread with the chili, and between me and the 3 kids we made a huge mess. It crumbled everywhere. It was all over the table, it was all over the carpet. You can see here in the frame it is just everywhere. So I'm first wiping the table down, and then I'm gonna sweep under the rug as well as vacuum the rug and get it all picked up. As I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. I also just wanted to say that I know this time of year can be really hard on a lot of people, myself included. So if you're not feeling motivated to get stuff done in your home today, that is totally okay. I never want you guys to think that I have it all together, because the reality is a lot of times I have more bad days than good, and I really do struggle with keeping up with my home. It's something that I do my best, but it's hard. It's so hard, you guys, and I hope that this is a space that you feel encouraged, that you know that it's real life over here. Not everything always gets done, but we do our best and we do it together.
A winter wonderland, a snowball in.
Most of the time I start in my kitchen, but if I'm feeling super unmotivated, I start in a room that I like the most, and for me that's usually my family room. If I get that room clean and cozy, that motivates me to continue on and so forth. So I worked my way all the way up to the kitchen because it was the messiest room. It always is 9 times out of 10, but starting in here just by picking up clutter and putting dishes away.
Yeah. Oh.
I got this chalkboard several weeks ago and I am loving it. It's fun keeping all of the calendar items on here. The whole family can see it, and it has a portion for our weekly menu. So I was just writing that out, getting it ready for the rest of the week.
From big to small, warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.
My husband always does the dishes. That's pretty much his standard go-to chore. I cook, he cleans, but we had filled up the dishwasher and it was completely full and there were still some dishes left in the sink. So I told him, don't worry about it. I'll just get it when I film. And so that's what I'm doing here. I am just cleaning a few of the leftover dishes and then I'm going to go ahead and clean out the sink. I found this sponge at Bed Bath & Beyond and it said that they were made here in Georgia and were infused with fresh peaches, and it smelled so good and it had some kind of antibacterial property. I'm not entirely sure how or what, but it smelled really good like peaches. So I definitely recommend them. Go to your Bed Bath & Beyond and pick one up. I love when the kitchen is finally all picked up and I can spray the countertops down. It's my absolute favorite chore. And on this night, I'm just using the Real Simple brand. It's from the Grove Collaborative and it's just their granite countertop spray.
With glimmering silver wine, you dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away.
A lot of the time I just spot clean the floors and I only really deep clean them every couple of weeks, but the floors had gotten so bad over the weekend I really let them go, so I decided to put up the bar stools and give the floors a really good mopping. Do y'all not see that dirt pile that is the size of Mount Everest? Oh my gosh. I was sweeping that up and I could not believe how dirty the floors had gotten. It was so bad. So I'm going to go ahead, like I said before, and mop. I'm using my spin mop. I love this thing. It's becoming my new best friend. And I'm just mopping the floors with hot water, vinegar, and essential oils. And pro tip, use thieves oil in your mop solution no matter what it is, because that is an amazing immunity booster this time of year, especially if you have little ones that are crawling around on the floors.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring.
And this is me enjoying the clean main living space while I can, because I know that in the morning it's bound to just get messy again, but while I have it, it feels so good.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Alright, you guys, I just sat down to fold some laundry and kind of relax and watch TV. I just finished cleaning and it is 11:38. Oh, I have an Instagram notification, but it's 11:38, so I'm wiped. I need to go to bed because tomorrow is Monday and it's the start of a new week, so I really want to tackle it and make the most of it. But I wanted to film this outro kind of in person and just say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. I can't even believe it. I woke up this morning to see that notification pop up and I honestly started tearing up. I couldn't believe it. And I just wanted you guys to know that it really does mean the world to me that you support my channel, that you're subscribed, and that you continue to enjoy and watch my content. And I hope that you don't take it lightly because I say it all the time, but I really do appreciate you guys, and I know that I wouldn't be here without you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. and we're not done yet. I have a ton of really great stuff planned for the months ahead, so make sure you stay tuned. Hit that notification bell or hit that like button, and definitely subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you, and I hope you enjoyed this relaxing after dark clean with me and that it motivated you, or maybe it just relaxed you and helped you to unwind for the day. But either way, so glad you're here, and I'll see you all really soon in the next one. Bye guys.